1980 Pontiac Trans Am Indy pace car replica. Of course, originally this would have had the turbo, 301 in it. When they switched from the 400s in 1979 to 80, this particular car has been switched back to a 400 V8. Take a look at the front fascia. Automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350 to be exact. This car will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That's included in the purchase price. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can see the bird has been removed to clean up that hood. Repaint, T-top car. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Call us if you got questions on that warranty protection plan. Talk to a sales consultant at 507-386-1726. Go ahead and take a look down the passenger side of this car. Black vinyl interior, bucket seat, center console, seat belt still intact. We'll get around to the driver's side and start it up, let you hear it run. Check out underneath the hood. But first, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation also. It is the glass T-tops that go with the car. Take a look at the rear fascia, or bumper if you will. In underside pictures, trunk, interior, over 100 pictures of this car online, uniqueclassiccars.com. Car has been repainted. Power steering, power brakes, it is equipped with, as well as power windows. We get to the interior, you're going to see that as you take a peek down the driver's side. Look at the door panels, vinyl seats. There's a little bit of a hole right there. It's one of those cars, get in, drive it, have some fun. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, your local shows. Start it up, hear what it sounds like. There's an aftermarket temp gauge underneath the dash. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect that to be up. I noticed the tack was not working. Clock is. Oil pressure up here appears to be working. Wipers, I did have them working, and also Panasonic aftermarket stereo. Get a stationary, have that working also. Here we go. Had sound coming out earlier. Let's go on and off with it. Stereo is working. Get to the top of the dash. Good sounding car. Sounds like you got a little cam to it. A little rumble coming out of that 400. And again, originally a 1980 Pontiac Trans Am pace car. Of course, replica for the pace cars that went around Indy. Not going to tell you it's one that went around Indy. Let me pause this a second. Let's pop the hood, check out that engine bay. Get a look underneath the hood. And here's the engine bay. Again, power steering, power brakes. 400. Like Edelbrock intake manifold, Edelbrock 4-barrel sitting on there. Original AC car that has been removed, the majority of the components. '80 Pontiac Trans Am, Indy pace car replica. 400 in it now. Remember, 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. 507-386-1726. Consult with a sales associate. That warranty protection may be extendable up to 10 years. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we are driving a 1980 Pontiac Trans Am. This is a different color scheme with white and gray, black and gray interior. Actually pretty good combo. This is an automatic on the center console. I do not see the left turn signal indicator, but I hear it. The right turn signal indicator does work. Very good acceleration from this car. The factory tachometer is not working. The factory clock is. Our oil pressure is around 60, 65. Temperature is around 180. Fuel on the gauge is just about a quarter full. And the battery gauge is reading 14. Our wipers are working. Radio is working. It's a Panasonic aftermarket unit. If I let go of the wheel, she stays nice and straight. This is a smooth ride. Not feeling any bumps or vibrations. Brakes are working very well. This car has T-tops, which is always great in an 80s car or a late 70s car. Yeah, great acceleration in this Trans Am. Check out all the pictures and details at UniqueClassicCars.com.